So you want to know how you can ruin a perfectly good truck? Let me show you. You chop up a perfectly good muffler, you put something like this with sketchy welds, yeah, just like that, and you put this monster, you delete on the resonator, you take a nut and you just weld it there because I guess that looks cool, and you add tips on this side and on this side. Now folks, don't get me wrong, a catback exhaust can increase horsepower, maybe some fuel delivery, and make the vehicle sound good if it's done right. But in this case, it was done horrible. And my biggest gripe with it, now don't get me wrong, it does sound good. It sounds good. But my biggest gripe with it is that it drones so bad. When you're driving in it, all you hear is that annoying drone nonstop. And this is a Toyota. It's a Toyota Tundra. It's a tough truck, smooth, comfortable ride, plenty of power. And if I'm going to be cruising in this thing, I don't want that noise. So I'm going to do the right thing, chop that off, and put the original aftermarket. So let me show you what I got. I got the original aftermarket. This is from Walker Rock Auto. And this is what we're going to put back in it. So it can sound quiet, still sound good, but give me a better ride. So this is the muffler, but I also have to change the tailpipe because instead of bolting it or doing it the right way, they just welded that. They welded those tailpipes and it doesn't have the little resonator in it. So that's not good. And we got the tailpipe right over here, which I'm hoping this is the resonator part. The factory one just has a little resonator, or maybe that is, or maybe it doesn't have a resonator. I could be wrong. But yeah. We have the tailpipe, and we had to get the clamps and the gaskets. So these are our gaskets that connect to the cats, and our clamp so we can connect that together. So let's go ahead, let's chop this thing off, put those back in, and bring this truck back to its beautiful Toyota glory. All right, so let me show you what this sounds like. That's one. Oh yeah, there's a hanger there. Okay. You know, I never buy that tool. There's a tool that pops that out. Boop.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, let me get some.
At least they didn't remove the cats.
I know, thank God. Had I saw they removed the cats, I would not have bought the truck.
that costs more than the truck. Huh?
Yeah. Yep. Look at this ghetto mess that they did. How the heck am I gonna...
Brits.
Yeah. Oh, let me take off this other garbage.
Yeah. What a tiny little...
You know what I do? Oh yeah. I just gotta unbolt it from up there.
Oh, it's bolted.
Yeah, it's bolted, so they weld and bolt it. No, leave it. Let it hang.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We're good. Let me get a wrench. I think that might be 12 or 13.
So they had a plug, but they put another one. No?
I'm glad I don't listen.
No, you look big. Oh crap, man! I'm missing. No.
13. You're good. All right, hold on. Still there. Bring it a little bit.
Is that? What is this forcing it? That's what I understand.
Delete. Only a Toyota would allow you to do this. A Dodge, Ford, any vehicle that I work on every other day of the week. And then you make a projectile out of it too. Let's get this out. Toasty. Toasty. Well, let's lock in the muffler and then we'll figure it out from there. Because we might have to bend a bracket or something. Because
it might be wrong too. They probably put it.
I think they chopped it. Look.
Huh?
Look right above the bolt. Do you see those two things?
Right here, right here.
Yeah, but look right there. Those two nubs.
Man, we still have the other thing in case we need it. The other clamp.
Yeah, we could improvise something.
Yeah. Well, let's
get this piece on.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, leave it there.
So now my question is, do we need to push that in?
Push what in?
The muffler into the rubber piece.
Yeah, which is
Where is
right
it?
over here.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe you should try putting your.
Yeah, take them out over here. Is your rubber in?
Yeah, mine is in.
I can't. I gotta go.
Okay, hold on. I'll go over there.
Look. Oh. Yeah.
You on?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to put my rubber on.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Cool. Nice. I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
This. Oh, that was you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
A little excess here, huh?
You got the bolts?
I got one.
Doesn't know what salt life is.
Yeah, I don't know the salt life.
Yeah, pliers. Well, you know what? Let's squeeze this. Yeah, do this one. Do the top one. No, do the top one. Oh, there you go. Okay. No, the. Okay, it's right.
I like to get the clamping.
Oh yeah, that's what it was. They chopped it up.
Buggers. Well, let's get this thing mounted. At least.
Yeah, it fixed that one, and then we're gonna have to.
All right, pull it out a little bit. Pull it out. Pull it towards you.
Oh, I didn't know you had that.
Yeah, it has a gasket. All right, slide it.
One thing, Lulu.
Yeah.
It has to go somewhere around here.
Yeah. I just want to get this part. What do we got to do?
I want to straighten this up. If I straighten it up, I end up in the bolt.
Straighten it so like.
In other words, I'm able to slide this back.
I'm
able to slide this back and hit the bolt.
Oh, so like an L bracket.
You can see now the thing in the way.
Alright. Flip it towards.
Put it on.
I need to come towards me.
Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, this thing has to come down a little. We don't have the bridge. Oh, that thing got to go up, dude.
Huh?
That bracket has to go up.
Yeah, I know. I just. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's there.
That's what it was supposed to be?
Yeah, just like that. Bites it, holds it in place.
This is nice.
Man, if it had an angle, we'd be all right.
Yeah, I know. This thing had a little thing, would be perfect.
Yeah.
What do you think, Lulu?
Yeah?
I mean, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I mean, we just have to find the height that we need. And,
Yeah. Well, you said I gotta adjust the pipe because that's not tight over there.
yeah, that has to be. Once you tighten that one up, then we're able. Because I'm able to actually go higher if I need to. Because
Well, why don't you put one in, give me a baseline, and then we could twist it.
Okay. Okay. So I have one hole so far. I'm only maybe two.
It needs to come down like towards me.
Okay.
Let me loosen it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, so that sounds a lot better. And as you can see, it looks better too. Now, unfortunately, the mounts, the factory OEM mounts that are welded to the frame, I guess you can see it right over here, little two pieces right there. They cut them because they thought that was a great idea to do that. But we were kind of able to bend and reuse part of the old mount and actually make this thing work. It is stable, rubber isolators, and this exhaust sounds so much better. I'll post a clip of how it sounds driving with no drone and way quieter. Yeah, as you can see, a lot better. And also, I mean, honestly, outside of that one piece being cut, this was really easy to install. Hanger slid in with some silicone paste. This bolted right up. And our flange right there with our new seals, I mean, perfect. I've went ahead and checked. We got no exhaust leak. It's perfect. It looks really good. It sounds so much better. And by going back to the factory exhaust, this truly makes this truck so much more enjoyable and what a Toyota really is. So as far as what I'm into it, the exhaust actually, and this is Rock Auto, this is Walker. I paid about, with shipping, roughly $230, which is not bad. Walker exhausts are really good. I've used them for years and I've never had issues. Now, the one thing I will go ahead and do later on is probably scuff that up, and I probably should have done it before I put it in, but it's fine. And I'll probably scuff it up and paint that black. And while I'm under there, I'll probably just repaint all that stuff black just to make the truck look a lot better, because when you look at it, yeah, it's too much silver. So we'll paint that black, make it look a lot cleaner. But yeah, so the purpose of this video, how to ruin a perfectly good vehicle: put a cheap, crappy exhaust, or even in some cases, just put an exhaust on it. I get it, more sound, more power. Sometimes you can get better flow if you go with a good quality aftermarket exhaust system. But if you're gonna go with some cheap, choppy crap just like they did over here, I mean, you're ruining your vehicle. And this goes for cars and SUVs and all that type of stuff. But honestly, with the Toyota, as amazing as they ride and how good and reliable they are, I mean, why not keep it original? With the way they ride and how smooth they are, I mean, it's just better to keep it original. I mean, to each their own, but in my opinion, if you want to ruin your vehicle, do a cheap exhaust job. If you need to put an exhaust, put something quality that doesn't drone so bad. And if you just like it loud and obnoxious, then hey, that's cool too. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what else we can fix on this truck.